Hello and welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to show you how to make this clay succulent fridge magnets. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. I have taken this modeling clay and I will mix all my desired colors to it. So I have made these three colors I will be using. First I will make the pot, so I take the white clay and make a ball. Then I'll press one side with the help of a flat round pen or pencil, so it will also be flattened at the bottom. Now I'm going to cut this pot into half and make it into two pots. Since one side will be sticking to the fridge. I have this brown clay which I will use as a topsoil in the pot. Now with the help of my wire cutter, I will cut small wires. With the green clay, I will make succulent leaves and insert small wires in each of them. I have made this green leaves of different sizes. So now I will insert the smaller ones first, and I'll also add glue to the wires. The bigger ones will be on the outer layer and I'll bend it a little outwards. And it's almost done. This clay doesn't dry up fast. Now I'll add the magnet with the glue. You can use hot glue also. Now I am adding pink color to the tips of the leaves. For the next one, I made three green balls of different sizes. Then I'll roll them into teardrops and press them lightly to form this cactus leaves. Now I'll bend this wire and I'll insert the cactus leaves inside these wires and stick them together. This clay does not dry up easily. It takes a long time. So in a way it's good that you can mold it anytime and correct them. but it also takes a long time to dry up. So I have used paint and Mod Podge to seal the succulents. Now with this pink clay, I will make very tiny balls and stick them on the cactus leaves. Now I will poke holes with the help of a toothpick on the leaves so that it looks more like a cactus. Now I will add the magnet with the help of a glue on the back side. Now I have painted the pot to give it a more colorful look, and then I will seal it with Mod Podge. So that's it for today. Hope you have liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to share your feedbacks in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.